Companies today generate more data than they can manually process. By using AI to audit and structure this information, you provide a level of clarity that most businesses currently lack. Instead of spending days inside a spreadsheet, you can translate thousands of rows of raw data into a clean, visual format in a matter of seconds. Over the next 5 minutes, we're going to build a transformation pipeline that takes a raw e-commerce CSV and turns it into a premium, professional monthly report. To execute this, you only need 2 things: a ChatGPT Plus subscription and a raw data export from a client's store. Mastering this process allows you to produce high-level analysis without a background in data science, turning a technical barrier into a repeatable service. Step 1 is preparation. This is where most people fail, by mistakenly uploading personally identifiable information, or PII, directly to an AI model. You must manually scrub the spreadsheet before it leaves your computer. Columns containing customer names, emails, and phone numbers must be deleted entirely. You only want to keep the transactional data. Focus on order dates, items purchased, prices paid, and the shipping regions. Taking 3 minutes to clean your data first ensures GDPR compliance and protects the privacy of your client's customers. Now that the file is safe, step 2 is ingestion. Drag and drop the cleaned CSV directly into the AI's chat interface. Use this exact prompt. Perform a thorough error check on this data. Identify any missing values or irregular characters, and normalize the formatting. The AI scans the file, corrects formatting inconsistencies, and provides a summary confirming the data is ready for the next stage. Manually reviewing a spreadsheet for a single broken character can take hours. Automating this step provides a clean baseline, so your final charts aren't skewed by corrupted inputs. Step 3 is extraction. You need to give the AI a persona by using this prompt. Act as an expert data analyst and identify the hidden profit trends within this dataset. Specifically ask for 3 visual charts and ensure you include a request for a pie chart detailing profitability across different regions. This bar chart compares specific product sales. The AI calculates the totals and renders these images directly. Then, this pie chart maps regional profit distribution, generated in a fraction of the time it takes manually in Excel. Taking raw, intimidating numbers and turning them into clear visual trends is what instantly communicates value to a business owner. Step 4 is translation. Simply handing raw charts to a client is the data dump trap. It forces the client to do the work, which decreases the perceived value of your service. Force the AI to interpret the findings by prompting, based on these visualizations, generate 3 strategic, actionable business recommendations to increase profit. Look for specific operational directives, like reallocating ad spend or bundling high-volume, low-margin items. Now, move your charts and the strategic text into a professional document template. Organize the layout so the actionable bullet points are positioned directly beneath the visual charts that support them. Clients aren't paying for graphs. They are paying for the strategic interpretation and the operational clarity this final report provides. This finished report represents hours of traditional data science work, compressed into a workflow you can execute in minutes. To turn this into a business, you offer this analytical process as a recurring service, performed on the first of every month for e-commerce brands. Because the workflow is repeatable, you can manage more clients, maintaining a high-ticket retainer. Using AI to bridge the gap between raw data and business strategy creates a service that clients can rely on long-term. Subscribe for more tutorials on building high-leverage workflows.